Hello friends, welcome to the Developer A to Z channel. Today we are going to making a video about Laravel APIs. And so first of all, here all beginners have one common question like what is the API, and when they get this question they will be frustrated with that thing. So I will try to make this video short so you will get more idea about the APIs. We will make one series also about the APIs. So let's go with this thing, guys. So first of all, there is a two types of API. One API with the mobile application API that called the RESTful API, and a second API thing is the third party API. So let's discuss about these two topics. Like if your client or any your senior will ask about the third party API, so you need to make which type of API, what you need to do first for this API. I will explain all things one by one, guys. So let's start with this thing. So first of all, if you get the thing about the RESTful API, if your client is asking about the RESTful full API, so you need to do like this. Let me show this full my screens, and this is one image I take from the internet. So let me show. So what is a RESTful API inside this one? So nothing else, it is just like data collection. It is a collection of data from your database, and you are passing this as JSON format to your any like anywhere. Like you can pass it in mobile also, and you can pass in desktop also, and you can pass anywhere these things that call the your RESTful API. So inside there some method is there, get method is there, post method is, put method, and delete method there. So just there you need to apply something like delete, insert, update, those things. So it will work like this simply. And there will some request you need to pass, like the request is HTTP methods, and server sends request, they will send, and it will send in client side request things. So this is a simple thing, guys. You can learn it easily. So give me like one simple example. If you are making one full function full one website inside, if you want this application in mobile also, if you want that application also, so you can make that first of all API. So that API have just one link. You will pass that link to your mobile application developer, and they will get that response inside the JSON. So that response they can get collect, and they will put inside your mobile data in mobile UI. So this is just third party API, this is just RESTful API, and this is really easy. You can use in your mobile also, and you can use in your website also. You can make website dynamically, so that thing make you dynamic. So that is a simple thing about the RESTful API. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.